I have talked about before, I believe on Instagram. I don't know that I've ever done it in a plan with me. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is another Plan With Me Wednesday over here, and I'm going to be planning out next week, which is Monday, December 17th through Sunday, December 23rd. But as always, before we get to the new week, let's go ahead and finish out the last week, which clearly my weekend needs a little bit of attention. So it is Saturday. We're gonna say that it's still morning, but it's really not still morning. But all I did this morning kind of was just relax. So I'm going to go ahead and put this sticker here, and it's going to be marking the filming that I'm going to be doing today, partially that we're doing right now. And then we actually have 2 holiday parties. It's just a little bit ridiculous. And part of me, I kind of want to use a half box. I'm not sure which one we're going to be at longer, really. I'll just do 1 1/2 and 1 1/4, but I'm not really sure actually which one we're going to be at longer and shorter. We actually have 3 holiday parties, but I am not going with Sam to one of them. He is going to that one by himself. So I can get some stuff done, and so I can get to the second one sooner and have more time there, and then we'll go to the third one together. I know that's kind of crazy. Let's see, can I fit this here? Yes, okay, so there we go, filming and the 2 parties. And then tomorrow, I need to do some editing in the morning. And then I am meeting up with my friends again to work on our power sheets because we did not finish them last weekend. So we decided that we're gonna prioritize ourselves, and we're gonna meet up again this Sunday and get those done. And then in the evening, I think I'm just gonna do one of these little date night stickers. I don't know what Sam and I will really do, but I think we're just gonna hang out together. And I like this little cozy guy wrapped up in a blanket. Perfect. Okay. I might use one of these to mark the parties. Look at this cute one with the snowflakes. Okay. Now let's go ahead and fill all that in with the pen. I am like out of all of my YouTube videos, and I thought my Coffee Monster Co. order from Black Friday would be here by now, but it's not. And I mean, it's coming from Canada, so I should have known better, but that's all right. So I'm filming this Plan With Me. Let's go ahead and check that off. And then I have to film one more thing. And then party number 2, technically, I guess, but 1 for me. And like they're both being hosted by couples, which is sort of funny. This is my sorority sister from college, and then this is Sam's cousin. Okay, and then tomorrow I need to get some editing. I need to do the weekly vlog and Tuesday's video. Both of those will already be up by the time this video goes up. And then more power sheets. If you watched the live from last week, I sort of talked through some of my thought process as it regards to the power sheets. So you can check that out if you're interested. Okay, I did this. I did this. We had sort of assigned homework of power sheets that we were going to do before we met up. I haven't done them yet. I might try and do them in the morning before I leave. I actually did do all my emails, even though I have that on tomorrow's list. I haven't done that yet. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so for this week, I am using the Design Pandemonium monthly kit, which has this sort of holiday theme. It's like traveling through the holidays. I'm not really sure, but it's holiday colors. And so it just seems appropriate to use the week that I'm traveling home. So on the bottom, I think I'm going to do another 3 stack because I just really like the way that that looks. So I think what I'm going to do is this red, this navy, and then the one that comes with the kit. What I think I'm going to do with the red, which I have talked about before, I believe on Instagram. I don't know that I've ever done it in a plan with me. That's not true, actually. I think I did it the week that I used that book kit from Oh Hello. Anyways, when you have a washi that has white like this one does, and you want it to be a little bit darker or a little bit more full, what you can do is layer it, and then it becomes almost a totally different washi. So let me show you what I mean by that. all I'm doing is putting the exact same washi over top of each other. And now it looks a little bit darker and doesn't have that white underneath, which I think goes with the kit better. So that is just a little neat little trick. All right, let's go ahead and get the rest of this put down. Little trick. All right, let's go ahead and get the rest of this put down. Even though there are other strips in this kit that fit in the bottom of the Erin Condren, I like pulling washi from my stash, and partially because it forces me to use it, and then I'm actually, you know, using the products that I own. But it also just allows me to be a little bit creative, like matching the colors and what order do I want them to be in. I kind of like being able to express my creativity a little bit in this bottom section where it's a little bit more decorative. Okay, a little bit. It's a lot more decorative and less functional. Plan with me may not be quite as long as my other Plan with me's because I don't really have plans for the weekend yet. I am going home on Thursday night, and the only thing, as you can see on the screen, that I really have planned is to go get my nails done on Friday. This place that my mom and I went to last time I was home in Chicago, I got the no chip and it lasted for so long. It was amazing. Like the only reason I took it off was because my nails grew out, not because they had chipped. Like they were incredible. So I told my mom, I said, the first thing I want to do when I get home over the holidays is go get my nails done at that place so that I don't have to think about it the whole time that I'm home and I can just, my nails can be done. Because I've talked about this before on my channel, but I'm an ex-biter and I will pick, if I have normal nail polish on and not no chip, I'll pick at it. And then as soon as I pick one and one's messed up, I pick it all off and I have to repaint my nails. And I typically repaint my nails almost every other day, which is ridiculous, I know. But it would be nice to not have to think about that over the holidays and just have them done and looking nice for all of it. Okay, now let's get to the sidebar. I made it in blue because of, oh no, come on. No. Okay. Whew. I made it in blue because there was only one blue large checkbox, but I don't think I'm going to do large checkboxes on the weekend when I'm at home. So that was sort of a pointless exercise there, but that's all right. I think I might do this decorative one because the large quote one is this black or like, I don't know, brownish color. And I don't really like it. I'm going to be honest. I don't like putting black and brown that prominently in my planner. Okay, and then there's some little decorative ones, so I'm hoping I can maybe spruce this up a little bit with something more decorative, like this tree. Should be playing the Jeopardy music while I do this. And I can't freaking make up my mind. Okay, done. Stop messing with it. Okay, so now the check boxes. So again, I was doing the dark blue on the habit sticker because I thought there was not a second dark blue, although there's not a second light blue either. I'm not really actually sure what I was thinking there. Oh well, it doesn't matter because I am going to do these size ones on the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So now what order do I want to do them in? Does it really matter? Where are the weekend stickers? What do they look like? They're all of the colors, so that doesn't matter. Plus, I don't know if I'm going to, well, you know what? I think I'll do the weekend sticker over all 3 days because, you know, that's how my weekend is this week. Yeah, I like that. Okay, cool. Now that I figured that out, back to the checklists. Okay, I'm going to stop thinking about it and just start putting them down. Normally I like to avoid red and green being next to each other because I think that it looks too Christmassy. Like if I had red and green in a normal kit, I would avoid having them next to each other. But point of this is Christmassy. So I think that it doesn't matter. And I'm going to go ahead and put green and red next to each other. The only thing that really inspired the order that I did this in is I didn't want the light blue to be on Monday because that box up in the corner kind of looks like that light blue and I didn't want it to be right next to it. I just found these on a pile of stickers and I should have done them at the bottom instead of being creative with my washi, but Oh well, it's too late. I mean, it's not too late. I could take it up and move it, but I'm not going to do that. Time to do the workout stickers. I am going to work out at home, but I'm not necessarily going to put stickers down for it. And here's why. I want to be healthy and I want to do it, but I also want to enjoy my time at home, and I don't want to necessarily be married to working out on certain days. So I might take workout stickers with me and then retroactively put them in, but for now I'm not going to have any workout stickers for the time that I am at home. Okay, time for the quote stickers. And this works out well because I basically just need 1/2 per day for the Monday through Thursday while I'm still working, and then that's it. All right, now let's go ahead and put the Spurs games down. So I usually like to use, where are they? These guys for Spurs games. So let's hope we have enough of them. Oh yeah, because there's a whole bunch on here too. Let's use these first. Sticky notes everywhere. Okay, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, now to fill in the evenings. So Monday and Tuesday, I have to film stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and use matching stickers so that they are the same. Again, I don't have any of my YouTube stickers because I'm out right now and I don't have any. So that's what we're gonna have to do. Tuesday, after I'm done filming, I'm going to try and get some editing in. I don't know how much time I'm really going to have, but we're going to try. Are there not any like solid colored half boxes? No, not really. I guess I'll use this to-do sticker because it's red on the outside and the little dots are red. Okay, and then Wednesday, I have a happy hour after work for my friend that is moving to Tokyo. Isn't that insane? I'm trying to be picky about my stickers because there's some of them that I want to save for the weekend because I know I'm going to need a lot over the weekend. Okay, and then after the happy hour, I need to pack. I'm not going to put that on a sticker. I'm just going to use this little munchkin guy and put that there and then write pack. And then because this is also all busy, I feel like there needs to be something there. And again, I'm not typically a no white space planner, but I just feel like it needs to be filled in. Can I do that one? Can I do the thicker one? Ooh, ooh, pause. Where are the decorative ones? Oh, can I fit this? This is so cute. This little present. Love it. Love it. Thursday, I am doing a YouTube live from the airport, which I might be a little crazy, y'all. That might be a little bit insane, but that's okay. I don't mind. So I'm going to put this one down to mark that live. And then my airplane stickers don't really match, unfortunately. So I think maybe I'll use this big flag to mark my flight because it's the right color. And it takes up the whole space right here just perfectly. Okay, I went and put this little sleepy guy from the same page I got the packing one on. All right, the last thing I'm gonna mark is the Cowboys game. I'm pretty sure we're gonna watch it given that it's almost the last game of the season and my whole family likes the Cowboys. I'm gonna put on this removable sticker though so I can move it around if I have to. Okay, I think that is it for this week. Again, I'm pretty sure we're going to get our nails done Friday morning, but I'm not ready to put that on a sticker quite yet. And other than that, I have no idea what our plans are. A lot of times before Christmas, I have to end up helping my mom Christmas shop because she isn't done with it yet. But, oh, we can put the wacky holiday stickers. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, time to go in with the pen. So going in with my favorite permanent pen, which is a Micro Perm 03. Although this one isn't working quite well. Luckily, oh, don't you fret, I have quite a few backups ready to go. So let's try this again. So right before this video, I actually recoiled my planner. It was part of the vlog. So it's really thin right now because it's only 6 months. And it's 6 months I have no stickers. So it was a lot more difficult to write on the coil with it being so thin. So I ended up taking off some of the stickers to write on them just so that it was a little bit easier. Also, I ended up reworking that Tuesday night sticker instead of it being for editing to a couple of Christmas things. I still need to get out my Christmas cards. I have all of my addresses stored in an Excel file on my work computer, and I forgot to email it to myself, so I didn't have my addresses at home, so I couldn't work on them this weekend. So Sam got all of his done, but I did not get mine done, unfortunately. Okay, so I just realized that I put the wrong time on this sticker, and that is because I'm gonna be in Central Time. So the game is like going to be at noon, not 1. So I'm debating in my head, do I waste the sticker and do it right? Do I try and squeeze a 2 in right there? Do I just leave it at 1 o'clock and accept that it's wrong? I don't know yet. I have so many of these stickers that part of me is like, yeah, I'm gonna put a new sticker on because that's gonna annoy me. Oh well, because the game, although now I don't know where that sticky note went. Oh, it's against, I wrote 1 p.m. versus the Bucks, but that's like the Milwaukee Bucks, not the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I don't think they put a K in there. All right, that's it. I really like how this week turned out. I feel like I say that every week. Is that like, that's so stupid that I say the same thing every week. But I'm excited to go home and visit my family, most importantly. That's what I'm most excited about for this upcoming week. Let me know in the comments, what are your plans for the holidays? Are you going home for the holidays? Do you travel? Do you stay at home? Do a family come to you? Let me know what your plans are. We always go to Chicago for Christmas. That was one of the agreements, I guess, if you will, when I moved to New York. My dad got Thanksgiving and my mom got Christmas. So I always head home to Chicago for Christmas to be with my mom and family. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and every day during December for Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning!